Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you an Italian imported baler. The machine model is p328. First, let's take a look at the unpacking of the machine. Charger, battery, product manual, body. The applicable range of this machine is 13到16毫米. Tape thickness is 0.65到 1.05 mm. The pulling force range of this machine is 250 N 到2600 N. Suitable for paper mills, aluminum factories, brick factories, aluminum factories, brick factories, etc. Let us introduce the operation of this machine. The battery is embedded. After plugging in, hear a beep to start the packaging operation. There is a round button above the battery. When we hold down, the machine will have a battery life display. Can understand the power consumption of the machine. The front of the machine is part of a regulation mode. Key is to adjust the tension. Key R is an adjustment of the splice button. You can adjust it yourself according to your items. The black knob is the mode adjustment. Can choose semi-automatic or fully automatic mode. The two buttons above the machine are operation buttons. Now E is the tightening button. Now R is the welding button. When we pull the lever, the tensioning action of the cassette slot also changes. Pull the lever to put the strap into the cassette slot. Now let me introduce the tape operation of this machine. First, pull the lever. Put the strap into the cassette slot. Press button E to tighten. Then press the No. R1 welding cut-off button. When the light is off, lifting rod and move slightly to the right. Tape completed.